Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to attempt the questions from the chapter Absorption by Roots for ICSE grade 10th who are going to appear for the year 2020-21, that means this year. So watch the video till the end. We'll take up a few questions. I'll tell you how to write the answers for them. We'll also take up reasoning questions. This will also give you an idea. You can take screenshots or you can watch the video again for different variety of reasoning. I've summed up almost all the reasons from the chapter. So you can have a look. So quickly, without wasting, we'll start with the chapter that is Absorption by Roots, how to attempt the questions. Let's just start. Okay, so as on your screen you can see that we have a few questions. I have taken up three main questions which come in different ways, which will be there in your paper in different manners. Yes, the questions can change, but yes, of course, the diagram remains the same. So we start up with the first question, that is the figure given below is a diagrammatic representation of the part of a cross section of root in root hair zone. Study the same and then answer the questions. Now this is a question which is a very common and a very important question. Why do I call it important? If you go through the previous board papers, so you will see that you have this question in every alternate paper. So this question becomes very important. So now when we talk about the question diagram will remain the same, but yes, of course, the questions which follow can differ. So we start up with the first. जैसे आपको पहला क्वेश्चन पूछा है, name the parts which are indicated by the guidelines 1 to 5. So he is asking you to label. Now how do we write it? We'll write part 1. Fine, name the parts labeled 1 to 5. So we'll write 1. Here 1 is a vacuole. We'll write 2. 2 is where is 2? Soil particles. Fine. So 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, all the labelings. Then we move to part 2. Is the root hair cell unicellular or multicellular? Of course, the root hair. Now he is specifically talking about the root hair. It's not talking about the plant cell. So you will specify that the root hair is single celled. Why? Because so that easily the water can move in and out. So it's one liner. So if you see the marks, the distribution of marks, obviously, of course, this question will be a 5-marker question, wherein the questions will be divided into all the parts. Draw the label diagram of the root hair cell as it would appear if some fertilizer is added to the soil close to it. Matlab, in the same diagram, if suppose some fertilizer is added here, what will happen? Now, if excessive fertilizer is added, what happens? The process of exoosmosis start. Why? Because the surrounding soil will become hypertonic. तो आपको इतना सब कुछ नहीं explain करना है. You just have to draw the diagram. So you will draw the same diagram. बस जो आप whatever the root hair you are going to form, the root hair will be formed, but it will be in a drooped stage. It will be drooping root hair. That means it will be a shriveled or a drooped down root hair. It will not be an erect root hair. So this is something which you need to make when the question is asked, such that you don't have to explain here anything. It says diagram, just draw the diagram. That's it. Name the process responsible for entry of water molecules from soil into A1 and then A2. So which process? Obviously it's osmosis. Water moves from its high content to its low content. What pressure is it? Just one line. Name पूछा है, just write name. No need to explain. What pressure is responsible for movement? Osmotic pressure. Acha bete, one more thing. In biology, the spellings must be correct. Fine. If you write osmosis, should be correct. Osmotic pressure should be correct. How is the pressure set up? Now here you need to explain. This question says that how is this osmotic pressure set up? So now you need to explain this in at least 2 to 3 lines, that how is this pressure generated, because as and when the water is added to the soil, the amount of water concentration outside increases and inside it's less. So it creates a concentration gradient and hence the water will start flowing from its higher to its lower concentration according to osmosis. So once again, name the following में सिर्फ name लिखना है. Is it uni or multicellular? सिर्फ एक word है. Write uni, but that's it. Draw the diagram. Just write the diagram, no explanation. Name the process responsible for entry. Just write the process. Name the pressure. Just write the pressure. How the pressure. Now, in how you need to write 1 to 2 lines. So, what I'm trying to tell you is be precise, be specific, be crisp, but be correct. We move to our next question. The same type of a question. I've taken this question just to tell you that the question remains same. The diagram remains same, but the question changes. Now, here they have asked you to label point 1 to 4. फाइन सो यू विल स्टार्ट लेबलिंग. अच्छा बेटा यहाँ पे ना कुछ बच्चे ये गलती करते हैं ना, दे लेबल इट एज सेल. ये वन पार्ट है ना, दे विल लेबल इट एज सेल. सेल नहीं है. दे हैव स्पेसिफाइड द एरो मार्क्स टुवर्ड्स द न्यूक्लियस ओनली. सो यू राइट न्यूक्लियस. सो बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक व्हेन यू there are only minus में or 1% chances that the diagram will not be clear. Otherwise they give perfect diagrams in your paper, so they don't leave any scope of mistake. So it will be very clearly mentioned that they are asking for nucleus or for the cell. So be very vigilant while you are looking at the labelings. Then we move to labeling 2. This is a vacuole, a large vacuole. Then we have part 3. Obviously it is the outermost layer, so it is the cell wall. Then we have cell wall का अंदर वाला layer, that is the cell membrane. So the labeling 1 2 3 4 करके label कर दिया. What is the role of part 4? They have just asked the role of part 4, which is cell membrane. It acts as a semi-permeable membrane, allows the water to move inside the root hair. That's it. Why is the root hair one-celled? Root hair is one cell thick to allow it to act as a semi-permeable membrane so that it can easily allow the inflow of water inside the roots. But that's it. Don't beat about the bush. Write the answer, a proper answer. Don't just start figuring out different answers. What will happen to the root hair if some fertilizer is added? Now here they have not asked for a diagram. Here you need to explain. Fine, you can draw a very small diagram on the side and then start explaining. That is additional. But here you need to just explain that when excess fertilizer is added, the concentration of soil increases, so the root hair starts losing water and then droops down. And finally, if more fertilizer is added, the plant can die also. So यहाँ पे diagram नहीं ज़रूरत, यहाँ पे सिर्फ explanation लिखोगे तब भी you will get the marks. So this is about the second question. We move to our third type of question. That is the question where they give you any type of cell. I have taken a plant cell wala diagram. It can be an animal cell also. They give you any type of cell and then they tell you that these are the scenarios. Now answer the following questions. So given below, A shows that cell is in a normal state and B shows that it is the cell while after leaving it in certain solution for a few minutes. You can clearly see दोनों में change है. First, describe the change which has occurred. So change, सिर्फ change का नाम पूछ रहे हैं बेटा, तो only plasmolysis आएगा यहाँ पे. कुछ explain नहीं करना है कि हमने इसको इधर डाला था उधर डाला था. No, just write plasmolysis. That's it. Give the technical term for the condition of the cell as reached in B. Plasmolysed cell. अच्छा, why I have used the term plasmolysis here? क्योंकि ये plant cell है. अगर animal cell होता तो I would have said that the plant that the cell has it is in shrinkage. It is shrinking. The cell is shrinking. It is a shrunk cell. But now we are talking about a plant cell, so we call it as a plasmolysed cell. Define the process which leads to this condition. आपको plasmolysis नहीं बताना है. The process which leads to this condition, that means osmosis. Read the question carefully. और सिर्फ osmosis नहीं लिखना है. They have said define the process. So you need to define. What was the solution? Was the solution iso, hypo or hypertonic in which the cell was kept? Just write the type of solution in which the cell was kept and it led to plasmolysis of the cell. So the cell was the solution was hypertonic. That's it. आपको कुछ explain करने की जरूरत नहीं है. How can the cell in B be brought back to the original position? एक line लिखो बस. The plasmolysed cell when placed in water again will again get back to its original condition. That's it. Name the parts numbered 1 to 3. 1 cell wall, सबसे बाहर वाला है. 2 now 2 very important labeling. बेटा ये 2 बहुत important labeling है. क्यों? Why? Because this is cell membrane. आधे बच्चे इसको cell membrane लिख देते हैं. This is cell membrane which has shrunk. तो ये क्या हुआ? This is a hypertonic solution. क्यों? क्योंकि hypertonic solution will move inside, then only the plant will the cell will start shrinking. No. And the third one is the chloroplast. Fine. So if your labeling is correct, your answer goes correct. So ये वाला जो एक pointer है hypertonic solution वाला, please इसको ध्यान से देखना because बच्चे यहाँ गलती करते हैं. Then we move to the reasons. Give reasons. Is it necessary to maintain a normal osmotic condition for the blood? Yes, it is. Osmotic pressure is maintained in blood to prevent the dehydration leading to shrinkage of the cells. अच्छा बेटे, I have taken these reasoning questions just to give you an idea that how the answer has been given. It's not an elaborate answer. It's not a one-word answer. It is a precise, crisp, correct answer. सिर्फ उतना लिखा है जितना चाहिए. That osmotic pressure is maintained in the blood. क्यों? To just prevent dehydration of the cells. That's it. This is only required. Salt and sugar are used in preserving food. कई बच्चे इतने लंबे पैराग्राफ लिख देते हैं इसके लिए. Simple. Salt and sugar increase the concentration of food, destroying the bacteria by plasmolysis. They will write a full-fledged paragraph, पर ये एक लाइन नहीं लिखेंगे. So you won't get marks. So be specific. On sprinkling common salt on grass growing in lawn, the grass gets killed. Sprinkling of salt makes the soil solution hypertonic. The grass loses water due to osmosis and obviously dies. So they are very specific. The rising swelling up in water. The raisins, they swell up in water. I'm so sorry. The raisins, they swell up in water. The raisins are just dried grapes. When kept in water, they take up water by the process of osmosis and they swell up. We gargle with saline water in case of throat infection. Yes, we gargle with saline water in case of throat infection. The salt solution or the saline solution is hypertonic. Fine, its concentration is more. So when we gargle, so whatever infection is there, it just bacteria, they start losing water and then they get killed. Fine, so this is the reason, that is why we gargle with saline water. Leaves of wilted lettuce when kept in cold water becomes crisp because leaves are plasmolized state. Wilted lettuce, when they are placed in cold water, they again get deplasmolized. Again they swell up. Bacteria and fungi do not grow on pickles, jams, jellies and squashes because the salt and sugar concentration is high in them. So the bacteria starts growing on them, they lose water and they start dying. Fresh fish cannot survive in seawater because seawater is saline in nature. It acts as a hypertonic solution. When the fresh water is taken and kept in saline water, what will happen? It will just start losing water and will die. So they are specific. I am just showing you these reasons for one reason, only for one reason, so that you see that they are how specific the answers are. They are just not beating around the bush. A closed can of dried seeds burst open if some water enters in it. Kyun? The seeds will absorb water, they will swell up and then the can will burst open by the process of now the seeds, they absorb water by imbibition. Kyun? Because the seed coat is made up of dead cells. यहाँ ऑस्मोसिस नहीं आएगा बेटा. क्यों? क्योंकि हम ड्राइड सीड की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर हम यहाँ पे रेजिन्स की बात करें तो वो डेड सेल्स नहीं थे. यहाँ पे ड्राइड सीड्स की बात कर रहे हैं, उनके ऊपर एक सीड कोट होता है which is made up of dead cells. Fine. So as it is made up of dead cells, we are talking about imbibition because it is the process where the dead cells, they absorb water. Fine. Drops of water on the leaf of plant like people does not enter the leaf by osmosis due to the presence of cuticle, because cuticle does not allow, it makes it impervious for water, impermeable. Water growing in fertilized soil are often found to wilt because again the same reason. Now the reason remains the same, but they have just twisted the answers. Questions. Plants begin to die when excessive soluble fertilizers are added. Here also the reason remains the same, but the statement is twisted. So this is how you need to answer your questions. I have taken two basic, most important type of questions which are asked from this chapter. Fine, there are multiple one marker question. 1 mark पे क्या करना होता है? सिर्फ आंसर लिखना होता है. इसलिए मैंने वो questions यहाँ नहीं लिखे हैं because here we are talking about that how we should attempt the questions. So that's why I have taken up these questions which do not require one word where you need to write something. So the takeaway points from this video is that one, you need to be very specific. Don't just beat around the bush. Where एक वर्ड की जरूरत है एक ही वर्ड लिखिए, जहां एक लाइन की जरूरत है एक ही लाइन लिखिए. दिस इज ICSE. This is an objective paper where your knowledge is tested, where they see whether you know either you know the answer or you don't know. We don't need a paragraph of English. Fine. So this is it. In our next video, we'll discuss about the next chapter. And then I'll make 3 videos for the same. पहले important topics करेंगे, फिर important questions करेंगे, और फिर करेंगे how to attempt them. So please share it with your friends and fellow mates, because sharing से और बच्चों को भी benefit हो पाएगा. And subscribe if you have not subscribed. Hit the like button, and please comment. आपको कुछ और भी चाहिए, आपको कुछ और मटेरियल चाहिए, कुछ और आपको चाहिए for your paper point of view, जिसका मैं वीडियो बना सकूं. Please write in the comment, which will help me to make more videos. Thank you so much. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing.